Hi, this is Tim Jarnigan, Director of National Accounts for the Malish Corporation. Let's talk about traditional floor pads for a second. We've all used them, but did you know even pad companies openly admit that pads harbor germs and bacteria? That means when you think you're effectively cleaning your floors, you're actually spreading germs and dirt all over them. Not exactly the results you want, is it? Also, these pads don't even reach the highs and lows of textured floors, such as quarry tile, ceramic tile, and rubber studded tile, leaving dirt and grime behind. Plus, mid-job, you're stopping, flipping, washing the pad, just to keep it somewhat effective. It's not only time-consuming, but you're not really getting the clean you think you are. I'd like to introduce the Flex Scrub Bristled Floor Pad. These new Malish products are designed with bristles that reach deep into the grooves and textures of your floor. Not only does Flex Scrub clean better, but it's also self-cleaning. That means no stopping to flip or wash out, so you can finish the job faster. Flex Scrub bristled pads outlast traditional pads almost 50 to 1. That adds up to a 45% product cost savings. So if you're tired of spreading germs, wasting time flipping pads, and tossing them out just after a few uses, it's time to make the switch to Flex Scrub for better cleaning, less hassle, and a huge cost savings. I'm Tim Jarnigan, and thank you for your time.